Whenever I think about this diploma, it is out of the world diploma, to be very honest. खुद को ही पता चलता है वो जब भी हम लोग महसूस करते हैं, जब भी हम लोग एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, जब भी हम लोग गेम्स खेलते हैं, तब खुद को ही पता चलता है कि दिस पर्टिकुलर फीलिंग व्हाट डू आई हैव, एंड दिस कैन मेक अ डिफरेंस इन द ह्यूमन मैनकाइंड, आई वुड से.
બેવ સેશનની અંદર એવા લોકો સાથે મેં કામ કર્યું જેને હું જાણતી નથી, ઓળખતી નથી, પણ આ 2 દિવસ એક્સપિરિયન્સ અને ગેમ્સ જે અમે રમી, ઇન્ટરેક્ટિવ ગેમ્સ જે અમે રમી, એના પછી મને એવું લાગે છે કે અમારી વચ્ચે ઘણી બધી સામ્યતાઓ છે, અને જેનાથી મને ખાલી એમને નહીં પણ હું જે લોકોની સાથે કામ કરું છું, હું જેમની સાથે રહું છું, કે જેમની સાથે આગળ જઈને કામ કરવાની છું, એ લોકોને સમજવામાં પણ મને હેલ્પ કરશે.
So Boal in his book calls all these exercises all these games as game exercises.
आपण जसं वेगवेगळ्या अँगलनी जेव्हा थिएटर प्रोसेस घेतोय, शिकतोय, तर त्याच्यामध्ये काउन्सिलिंग करताना कुठेतरी हा पार्ट इतका जरुरी वाटतो. तर हे शिकणं तेवढंच जरुरी आहे आणि हे अप्लाय करणं पण तेवढंच जरुरी वाटतंय, ज्याच्यात आपल्या आतले जे आपण थॉट्सवर कधी हे विचारही नाही करत की हे थॉट्स आपण ऐकायला पाहिजे. लिसनिंग फ्रॉम सेल्फ अँड लिसनिंग फॉर अदर्स, या दोन्ही गोष्टींवर इतकं सुंदर काम होतं की आय कॅनॉट एक्सप्लेन इन द वर्ड्स.
Till I came here, my idea of theatre was always about acting. But once I saw what's the theatre of the oppressed, I realized that it's about expressing your emotions and bringing it about in the most creative manner. And it actually also helps us understand our subconscious, because not everything happens in the conscious. So I found it like to be a resolution for a lot of issues that we as individuals face or the society might face. And I think it's a very good tool that one can use for training, whether it's groups or whether it is individuals, or mostly groups and corporates.
We have designed this program considering the need of the market. So anybody coming from corporate background, school, or charity organizations like NGOs, they can utilize this methodology in their interest area. The diploma program in applied theatre is a serious affair. So students have to go through the readings, attend all the lectures, go through the practical exams, submit assignments. They have to complete all the sections which are required to get a certificate.
I am doing a diploma course from Applied Theatre India Foundation. Very interesting, very dramatic, very engaging activities. Even if you are new to theatre, you will understand. I've been doing theatre for like 7-8 years and still learning from them. Learning about the society, about changes we need, about everything. Basically, I'm so comfortable here and I can ask to my facilitator anything. And of course, around the activities we are doing. So yeah, I'm having so much fun.